Okay, so hi, today's date is 24th of June 2026, and day before yesterday I came from Amroha. And now what I'm gonna do in this video is I'm gonna tell you about my experience, about my learnings, about my what I did, what was not supposed to be, what was supposed to be, okay, everything. So it was like on the very first day of this intensive, which was 11th of June. I was not means I was not that much sure that I'll be doing or I'll be participating in all of the activities. But what I did is, it in my mind it was like that since this will be a one time opportunity in a life, because from the next year the students who haven't been in this intensive, they will get the opportunity. So it was like only one time opportunity. So I thought of participating in everything and doing everything, irrespective of I know that field or I don't know. So it was like on that cricket day, I was not on the team. The teachers already they made the team. I was not on the team. So till that time, my interns team were playing with the police team. the, our intern teams were having that what do we say, bowling, and by that time I was doing practice on the nets. I was doing bowling to a person who was there, who was with the police team. So at that time what I did is I bowled. Kana bata. Okay, so at that time our team were playing. So what I did is I bowled about 100 or 100 to 150 balls to that person. Means it was like I was practicing in the nets. I thought that since I'll not get any opportunity to play in the team, so I should play in the nets. But after that the police team came and their bowling was next. So I requested that police officer that can you give me 1 over please, because I didn't get a chance from the interns 11 team. So he said yes, bowl. And from that, what I did: 2 wickets, 3 overs, and 6 runs. So it was not like that. Since only 10 overs were left, at that time I went to the police officer with the bottle, so that means it was like a break, okay, like see a tires break. So I went to him and I asked him that I can bowl one out over, and the other guys, the other four guys were just sitting. They lost the hope that they will get the chance, but I didn't lose the hope. So so I tried. At least I tried, because only 10 overs were left. So in my mind it was like that I will try. If I get the chance, I'll play. If I didn't get the chance, no problem. At least I will not have regret that I haven't played. So at that time, I played and I got the award for the best bowler. So the learning from this is, at least try. You don't know what will happen next, but at least you should try. Okay, so this was the learning. And the other was day before yesterday, when I was coming back home. I thought of coming back home on 26, because these three things, because from 23, 22 to 26 I thought of staying there back to Amroha. But destiny plan was something different. My mother called me at 4 p.m. that my father will be going home today. Okay, so after that call my mind was like that, मैं किसको दिखाऊंगा? अगर पापा घर चले गए, देन मैं किसको दिखाऊंगा ये सब जो मैंने प्राइज़ लिए हैं? बिकॉज इफ़ माई फादर कम्स आफ्टर 1 week or 1 month to back to this, after village, back to Haldwani, then the feelings will be different. The feelings, the excitement will all be different. Since at this was the correct time, so it my mind it was like मुझे जाना है तो घर जाना ही है, मुझे दिखाना है आज, ठीक है. So it was my destiny कि destiny ने मुझे घर पहुंचा ही दिया 22 को ही, ठीक है. मैं 10 बजे घर पहुंच गया था. So Okay, so after 4 p.m., okay, at 4 p.m., I put all my clothes and closed. Okay, so मैंने अपना पूरा सामान सब कुछ अच्छे से कर दिया था. एंड अराउंड 5:50 और 5:30 मैंने छोड़ दिया था. ठीक है, मैंने रूम छोड़ के हम लोग मैंने भैया से पूछा, जो द गाय हु लिव्स बिसाइड आवर रूम. आई आस्क्ड हिम कि फ्रॉम वेयर शुड आई गो. ही टोल्ड टू मी दैट गो टू योजना और समथिंग लाइक दैट, a place. From there you will get a bus. From that bus go to Muradabad, Rampur, and then Rudrapur, then from there to Haldwani. Okay, so I took auto from the Rajapur, and he took 10 rupees from me, and he then left me at that I don't know the place name. Okay, at that place, and from there I booked a e-rickshaw, and I gave him 40 rupees to reach as at that Yojana or something like that place. Okay, at that place, I asked random persons how to reach Haldwani. So they offered me like go to Muradabad, Rampur, then Rudrapur, then Haldwani. So after I was at that bus station, uh, I requested so many bus drivers to stop, and I asked, where are you going? Somebody said some location, some location. Okay, after 2 or 3 buses, the next bus came, and I asked him, where are you going? He said Muradabad, हम अंदर से या or something like that he said. So I thought कि I should go in this bus because I was not knowing uh, how to how to reach to Haldwani. So I thought कि I should go firstly to the Muradabad, and I went. And after I मैं मतलब मैं जैसे ही उस बस में चढ़ा, सो इन माई इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी मतलब उसमें थ्री सीट्स थी. तो फर्स्ट सीट में देर वॉज अ लेडी, एंड in between there was a space left, and in the right of that there was a guy sitting. Okay, so I requested the lady कि क्या मैं अंदर बैठ सकता हूँ. He said you can come. So मैंने अपना सामान ऊपर ऊपर रखा, and then I sat in the between. Okay, then I asked the right guy कि यहाँ से हल्द्वानी जाने का रास्ता कहाँ है, एंड ये बस कहाँ तक जा रही है. तो यही बात उन लेडी ने सुन ली थी. Okay, so after that, that lady, she asked me, where do you live? Where do you live? I said Haldwani, and then she said that she also lives at Haldwani. So in this way, our conversation started. She told me you should go in this way. She told me 2 ways. Firstly, by the bus. Secondly, by the train. Okay, train also it was from 7:40 okay to 10 p.m. from Muradabad to Haldwani, and the other option was the bus. Okay, she told me about bus. Go to Muradabad, from there take a bus directly to the Haldwani. Okay, or the other way is from the Muradabad take a bus. Okay, okay. The second way was uh, go. Okay, so she told me the other option is use this bus only, because this bus will be going to the रुद्रपुर. मतलब जिस बस में मैं अभी बैठ रहा हूँ, वो बस रुद्रपुर उसका लास्ट स्टॉप है, एंड फ्रॉम देयर यू कैन टेक द अदर रूट. But she suggested me that go to the Muradabad. Okay, take the Muradabad ticket in this bus, and then from the Muradabad take a direct bus to the Haldwani. Okay, in this way. So she left at the Muradabad. At the Muradabad bus station, I asked the other guy कि जैसे ही अगर मुझे सीट मिलती है तो मैं उसमें बैठ जाऊँगा, मैं आपको कॉल कर दूँगा. अदरवाइज प्लीज़ लीव दिस सीट फॉर मी, और प्लीज़ मतलब इस सीट को जहाँ जिसमें मैं बैठ रखा हूँ, इसको मेरे लिए रिजर्व कर देना. एंड आई टुक हिज नंबर. दैन जैसे ही मैं मतलब बस से उतरा, नहीं, जैसे ही हमारी बस मतलब मुरादाबाद बस स्टेशन में जाके रुकी, मैं देखने लग गया कौन सी बस हल्द्वानी. जस्ट मीन्स डेस्टिनी वॉज इतना परफेक्ट दैट हमारे सामने ही जो मतलब बस थी वो थी हल्द्वानी डायरेक्ट. मैं जैसे ही उतरा एंड देन ओके, सो मैं जैसे ही उतरा, मैं डायरेक्टली आगे वाली बस में हल्द्वानी जा रही थी. मैंने पूछा भैया हल्द्वानी जा रही है? हाँ जा रही है. एंड ड्राइवर के बगल वाली सीट में मैं बैठ गया. व्लॉग में देख लेना मैं कौन सी सीट में बैठा था। मैं फर्स्ट सीट में बैठ गया, एंड दैट्स इट। और फिर बाद में मुझे ये पता चला कि वो जो हल्द्वानी वाली बस थी, वो बस थी, एक ही बस थी, इसके बाद बस नहीं जा रही थी। ओके, सो हमारी डेस्टिनी मेरी ऐसी थी कि वो जो बस थी वो बस एक ही जा रही थी, इसके बाद बस थी ही नहीं। ड्राइवर ने बोला कि इसके बाद बस 10-11 बजे है, ऐसा कुछ बोल रहे थे, मैंने सुना नहीं, बट यही बस आखिरी बस थी। एंड जैसे ही मैं उस बस में बैठा, उसके 1 मिनट के बाद वो बस चली गई। अगर हमारी बस जो मतलब जिस बस में आ रहा था, मतलब कि मुरादाबाद तक आ रहा था, अगर वो बस 1 मिनट से भी लेट हो जाती तो मेरी हल्द्वानी वाली बस ऑब्वियसली छूट जाती। फिर मैं क्या करता? तो उस 1 मिनट में मतलब हमारी वाली बस में जिसमें मैं आया, उसमें बस कितनी बार बीच में रुकी, कितना जाम हुआ, कितने लोग आए बस में, कितने लोग उतरे बस में, जाम भी लगा, फिर भी मैं मुरादाबाद स्टेशन में करेक्ट टाइम पे पहुंच गया, और उस करेक्ट टाइम पे वाली बस भी खड़ी थी। 1 मिनट के अंदर मैं वहाँ पर चले गया। तो मीन्स द लाइफ इज सो परफेक्टली प्लान्ड, सो परफेक्टली अलाइंड। इट वॉज इट वॉज माई डेस्टिनी कि I got a direct bus. See na, how how magical this is. The script of our life is so properly planned that every 1 second is perfectly planned. Yaar, I got to know. And after coming home, I got to know that my father is not going tomorrow. He will be going after 3 to 4 days. That was a purely a joke for me. Okay, but my destiny called me earlier. Maybe my destiny saved me from something wrong. Okay, but I learned so many things. Try. Even if you fail, you will get a lesson, and if you pass, you will get success. Try. Don't ever think like that. I can't do this work. Do it. Try again. Simple. Try again, fail again, repeat. Okay, in this way, and try everything, and believe in destiny. In this world, everything happens for a reason. Everything happens for a reason. Okay, so that's it. Okay.